Wow, can I play with your slime?
No, it's mine. Can I take your sparkles?
No, it's my sparkles.
Kids, sharing makes plays more fun. Maybe let's try together.
Okay, Daddy.
Emma, wait!
Huh?
When you're eating, you need to use cutlery, spoon or fork.
Oh, wait, I understand.
Emma, stop!
What?
You need to wipe your mouth with a napkin after you're eating.
Okay.
Emma, stop!
What happened?
After lunch, you need to clean your plate.
Okay.
Finally, everything is done. Now I can scroll through my phone.
Mia, give me that phone. I want to play.
Did you finish your homework?
No.
Then I can give you a phone.
Why? I want to play too.
I understand, but you didn't finish your homework. Work first, then play.
Okay, I'll finish my homework.
That's a good plan. And then we will play together.
It's not working.
What? I don't understand.
It's not working.
Check it out first, then talk.
Please, give me some water.
Oh, here.
Thank you.
Emma, where are your manners?
Sorry, I accidentally.
Emma, don't put your feet on the table. That's bad manners.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Remember, it's important to behave appropriately and be polite.
Okay.
Where should I put the plate?
You can sit here.
Oh no.
Emma, it's a bad habit to scatter food around when you eat.
I don't litter. That's not me.
It's unpleasant to eat at a dirty table. Don't leave a mess behind. You have to respect other people.
I'm sorry, Mia. I'll clean everything now.
Let me help you.
Now I will eat you. Huh? Huh? Mia, my stomach is telling me something. What should I do?
What did you eat?
I ate chips, chocolates, and drink soda.
Emma, I think your stomach is trying to tell you to eat healthy food. Chips are unhealthy. It's better to eat a banana instead of cake. Eat an apple. Don't drink soda. Drink water instead.
Wow, thank you, sister, for useful lesson.
Oh
I feel good.
no! Emma, water on the floor is dangerous. You can slip.
Yes, I can.
I don't want anyone to slip. Better clean it up right now.
Let me help you, Mia.
Well done.
My nails are so good. Kate, I need your help. I can't do anything. My nails are too long. No problem. Let me help you. No, that should be an hour away. Okay, let's go to the doctor.
What's happened to you?
I can't do anything because of my nails.
I get it. We need a special tool. All done.
Wow.
Remember, nails this long are not suitable for children. They are dangerous and harbor germs.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
Mommy, let's play.
I need to wash the dishes and clean the table. Then we can play together.
I want to play now.
You can help me with the dishes and the food on the table. And we will play soon.
Really? Of course, I will help you.
Yes.
Thank you, darling.
Ew. Wait, I forgot to brush my teeth.
Oh no! Emma, are you coming? Come on.
Wait, I forgot my jacket. I'm ready.
I missed the bus.
Oh, we're late again.
Oh, I know what might help.
I'm ready.
Wow, we're not even late.
What have you done? Mia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. You ruined my bag.
Emma, what's happened?
I ruined everything.
Let's see what we can do.
Wow, you're a magician. Mia, come here. Wow, it got better. Thank you, sister.
Any problem can be fixed, especially if you've got friends around. Let's start challenge yes or no. Are you ready?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. The friends, yes or no?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. For me. Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Next, yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You say yes! Emma, what's wrong?
The back engine was torn.
I know one trick.
Oh, thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Okay, and first, close your eyes. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room.
New toy. New toy. New toy.
Okay. This.
Toy.
You're cleaning your room. This.
Toy.
Oh no. Oh no, you're not cleaning your room.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this.
Toy.
Okay, I will buy you new toy. This. You're not cleaning your room. Okay.
Yes.
Emma, I need your help in bathroom.
What?
Let's stick these pictures up and you'll never forget to flush the toilet and turn off the tap after all.
This will help me.
Here's another reminder.